Hi guys, and welcome back to the Racenoobs blog. Today I'm going to be just finished doing the painting. I don't know if you've seen the video, I posted a few photos yesterday of doing the matte paint on the pug. That's been cool. But I've had a visit from a friend you may know from such videos. Yeah, that's the way. Yes. It's just phenomenal. Yeah, we used to do comedy videos back in the day. Over 10 years it's been since we've done that. He's actually come down to, he's passing through to go to Melbourne, and he is a car guy, Mr. Romeo Silva, and he's going to paint the brake calipers orange. Now, I did a real bodge job last year, like really bodge, but he's going to actually show us how to paint calipers. You know, it's still not going to be the way that he likes to do it, but it'll be drastically better than it was before.
Yeah, so I'm not going to take it off because I literally don't have time. I'm just passing through. I'm just going to tape up around everything so you don't get orange everywhere. Other than that, so I'm just getting a rough sand, but normally I'd get all this off. It's right back to original, all the dust, brake dust and everything. So I'm just sanding to get rid of, well, it's to help the paint grip, and obviously there's a lot of crap on it, and then you're going to wax and grease remove it. So I'm just doing the wax and grease remover. Another thing with wax and grease remover, you should have a clean rag on the other hand, and you put it on kind of, because we're only doing a small area, but if you're doing a panel, you obviously do little sections at a time, but you put it on and then wipe it off with the cleaner rag. Any excess wax and grease remover can actually cause the very thing you're trying to eliminate. Yeah, it can leave a film and get you call them wax, like wax spots, where the paint will, little dot, it looks like it separates. You'll see the whatever they need. Just miscoating it. So the miscoat helps paint stick. So you just got to, it's called miscoat. You just let it sit after you've done a look, just a haze. But yeah, you get the little separation of the paint, and you know, it just looks horrible. So this is what you do. You just kind of miscoat the whole thing. It'll get tacky, and then you do your next coat. You just do light coat.
What is it called?
Backwards spray leg, under the knee spray.
There you go.
Fine technique. Look at that. It's all about the hitting by the power of Grayskull. It's like when you go reverse in line.
So that's pretty much it. It doesn't make any difference to the car. But the fact is that especially if you're going to be doing branding. Now if you're like me and that you've created a brand for your race car, it's good to be able to match different bits of the car to whatever branding you've done. So the branding for VRT is black and orange. So it's good to be able to sort of match bits and parts over your car. If you've got to personalise it, you've got to make it a little bit different when it's out in the track, so it's a bit recognisable. If you look at Moto Miyagi's car and you ask him why his car is yellow, because his car is a bright yellow Falcon, and you ask him and he says it's because there is no bright yellow Falcons out there. So when people know him from his bright yellow Falcon, it stands out, so it makes heaps of sense. So it's good to spend some time on the exterior, even though that doesn't do much to your car. It makes it a little bit more personal, and it makes it stand out in the track a little bit better. So yeah, anyway, I'm Joel Desky, and we've been working with Romeo Silva today, and I'll be back soon.